Hello, welcome back. It's June here. Every Wednesday on my blog, which is allthews.poppyfieldcardcrafts.com, I give that particular card away. It's a freebie. You have to comment on that particular card, and you do have up until 6 p.m. on a Friday to do so. And I use random name picker to choose the winner, and the winner is announced on the Saturday morning's blog. It doesn't matter if you've won previously, nor does it matter if you live abroad, as we ship internationally at our expense. So this week's freebie card is this waterfall card. It's a pretty like a pearlized card, the blue. So the theme is obviously blue and white, and it's an A5 size, and inside I have these two sentiments. Strip that and carried on with the blue card. And then for the waterfall, just see if I've got this in shot. Have a truly fabulous day. Today's special moments are tomorrow's precious memories. On your special day, a gift for you with love. There you are. And this little bow is so cute. It's tattered lace dye, that one there. And then I've just added some pearls around that frame and a pearl to pull the waterfall. So that's it. And if you would like to be in with a chance to win this, just visit my blog. The details will be down below, and I will see you at the next video. Until then, bye.